They say some cities are built by machines and some by moments. Asansol was once the hum of industry, coal, steel, smoke, and sweat shaping its skyline. But beneath that grit, a heartbeat always lived, the heartbeat of its people. A city of many faiths, many tongues, but one rhythm, unity, one emotion, pride. Today, that heartbeat is rising again, louder, younger, bolder. Pujopokkho'25, an initiative by Asansol Municipal Corporation, isn't just a festival. It's the city's first step into its new identity. A Gen Z Asansol, vibrant, creative, connected to its roots, and ready to shine in the event economy of tomorrow. From para pandals to digital platforms, from local artists to global audiences, Asansol is ready to tell its story again. This Pujo season, we didn't just celebrate tradition, we celebrated transformation. Because this isn't just about where Asansol has been, it's about where it's going next. Pujopokkho 25, the new pulse of Asansol.